Hi, my name is Dev Prabhu. I'll be helping you out Kumpanio. First visit kumpanio.com. Once you're on the site, you're going to see two option login and sign up on the right hand top corner. And let's click the sign up. Here you'll see two different options. You can sign up with the email or the Google account. And I'm here signing up with the demo account just to showcase how the platform look like and accept. And here you can start, select the username, full name, make sure you're providing your right name, so this will help us to verify your phone number, to send a OTP, your right date of birth. And so I'm picking up a random picture for my profile. I would request you to select your picture because you will be matching with the companion and they would love to see your authentic pictures. So I'm loading more here. So I'll be adding two more pictures. So you have to add two minimum pictures. That's the requirement of the platform. And let's choose the username. And you can select the available username. So I'm just selecting. Yeah, and here I'm using a random number just to showcase birth and make sure you're providing all the right information. So this will help us to verify your account with no hassle. And once you have selected date of birth, you can select three different interests, so this will help you to match with the right companion. So I'm selecting sports, music, and shopping, and the gender is male, so I'll select Bangalore. I'm in Bangalore right now. And you can see your profile picture here, and you can also change the profile picture once you are on this platform. So as you can see, we are uploading two new images, and now we're going to hit the register. So after registering, you will see a screen which is a KYC form, and we would want you to give the real name here. So and address where you're located at this point. So I'm gonna select the address of Bangalore. This is the random address I'm just giving you to showcase. And then you have to mention your Aadhaar card. This Aadhaar card is automated, so this will identify if you are the authentic person companion is talking to. You can skip if you don't want. So now you can see the screen here. Once you hit the screen, you will see a dashboard, upcoming, previous booking, profile, chat. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit your left hand corner, sorry, right hand corner top, click the profile, and then I click explore options. Now here you can select the city. Select city, Bangalore, female, next, and you can just make sure that you select the age you're looking for. So now let's hit the next. So these are the timing slot you would see. Okay, if you're booking for a weekend and free, or you're looking for an evening meeting, so you're going to click here, search, and now this screen will show you verified companions, which is here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to view a profile of Catherine, and Catherine, let's go for 16th Saturday, and book a companion. So now here you go, you have three different options to select. If you just want to meet for a coffee or a short time, which can be done in 90 minutes, you can select this. If you want to sit for a longer hour, where you want to go for a coffee or dinner or just for a movie, so you can select this, and these are for the longer term. So you have to select one. I'm selecting this, for example, continue to detail. So here you have to mention where you want to meet, which can be changed later based on you and companion discussion. So I'm just doing here, I want to catch up at around, let's call it around 16:30. Here it's calculated for 90 minutes. Here you're going to hit the confirm pay. So since my KYC is not done here, I'm not able to book. So you have to do your KYC. And once your KYC is done, you can make the payment. And here you're going to see a chat option. Once the booking is done, it's confirmed on the chat. You'll have an option where you can see a companion talking, sharing the information, where you can start the booking related details. And for any other questions you have, you can reach our support at Kumpanio.com, and we'll be able to help you from there. Thank you for your time. Good day.